You're not losing customers to competitors. You're losing them to missed follow-ups. There's just too much going on, and before you know it, a promising lead goes cold. That's exactly what OnePageCRM is built to fix. OnePageCRM is designed to get things done. You log in and immediately see your agenda, what needs to happen, and for whom. This could be sending an email, making a call, or anything else. Each contact has one clear next step. You might notice that this page resembles an email inbox, which is no coincidence. But instead of emails, you work with contacts here. All contacts are prioritized depending on the date of the follow-up action. Red means urgent, orange is due for today, and grey is scheduled for later. So when something becomes urgent, the contact floats to the top. And this is your action stream, your primary workspace. It keeps everything moving and crystal clear. If you switch on the focus mode up here, you'll see only what's due for today. And if any overdues can wait, you can hide them too. So your whole day is mapped out on this page. And with the split pane view, you can see contacts and the action stream side by side. The action stream works best when all your contacts are in the system. You can add them manually right here, or import them from a file, but also make sure to check out the Lead Clipper. It's a free browser extension that works across web pages, email inboxes, and social media. Let's say you found a lead on LinkedIn. You can clip on the Lead Clipper icon and it will instantly grab all of the details. Add a next action and then send the contact straight to OnePageCRM, and it will appear in the action stream right away. Now, manually added contacts might not have as much data, so in this case, use the Enhance button here. This will enrich the contact details in a single click. Okay, let's go back to my action stream. And first up is Joe. I need to send him a quote. Now let's say he's already been talking to my colleague, who's not in today. So I need to get some context first, so I'll click the TLDR button. AI will generate a quick summary of everything on Joe's page, so email threads, notes, calls, meetings, and so on. And it looks like he's interested in our premium package. That's all I need. So let's create a deal. I'll add premium services from the catalog in the CRM. Products and services, including their prices, are all saved here. And this also means that the total deal amount is calculated automatically. Now let's name the deal and save it. Then with just one click, I can email this as a quote. And make sure to track this email so when Joe opens it, I'll receive a notification. Done. I can mark this next action as complete. So now OnePageCRM asks, what next? So let's give Joe some time to review the proposal. A call reminder for next Monday would be great. Oh, and here's a notification telling me I have a call with Jane right now. I can call her right from here by clicking on her phone number. So let's say Jane didn't answer my phone call this time. In that case, I'll log a no answer note. And I have an automation set up for this. Every time I log a no answer, OnePageCRM adds a follow-up reminder and sends an email on my behalf, all done automatically. You can set that up once and it runs every time. Next contact is Chris. So let's check on his payment. OnePageCRM integrates with other apps, so everything's in one place here. Looks like Chris's payment went through, payment checked, and now it's time to onboard him. I have onboarding steps saved right here, and I can insert them all at once. And I also have an email sequence for onboarding new clients, and I can select it from the next action area. Done. Email scheduled. By the way, if you have somebody else on your team looking after new clients, you can reassign the contact to them. Now all of the actions will appear in their action stream. And you can leave them a note. So far we've been working with one contact at a time, but sometimes you need to reach out to a whole group at once. Now, OnePageCRM has different ways of segmenting your contacts by statuses, tags, or lead sources, and they're all available from the navigation menu. So you can quickly bring up a list of anything from your web form submissions to current customers. And if you need to combine multiple criteria, you can create filters. For example, let's say I want to bring up all dormant clients in New York. And OnePageCRM finds them instantly. So now that we have this list ready, we can email them all at once. Let's pick a template first Then preview the emails. All good. And schedule them for tomorrow morning. Your email account connects directly with OnePageCRM, so you can schedule and receive emails right from here. And you can email up to 1,000 contacts with just a few clicks. Only emails to and from your CRM contacts get synced, so your private conversations stay in your personal inbox. And OnePageCRM also lets you manage sales too. And most CRMs put deals first, but deals don't close themselves. So that's why here you manage deals right from the contact page. And you can update a stage very easily. For a full overview of your sales process, you can head over to the pipeline page. Every deal is laid out by its stage, and you can drag and drop them. You can filter by team member to see who might need a hand, or over here you can track revenues using the sales forecast view. And once a deal is won, you can move it to a delivery pipeline to manage what might come after the sale. So in very little time, we've sent a quote to a prospect, we've made a call, added an onboarding sequence, and scheduled dozens of emails at once. That's OnePageCRM, the CRM you'll actually use. Just add your first 5 contacts, people you're talking to right now, give them one next action, and work through them. The free trial lasts for 21 days. After that, you can subscribe for as low as $9.95 a month. You can find us on live chat, email, and screen shares at no additional cost. So if you have any questions, just reach out.